Welcome back to a quick trading update where I'm reviewing the charts of Nifty 50, and let's go with banking index as well. And I'm currently looking at 30-minute charts of Nifty 50, and let me label this as wave 1 just to be very brief into my analysis, and this as wave 2. Well, this was my earlier view that you did wave 1, wave 2, or you did, let's just for the sake of simplicity, let's label this as A and this as probable wave B. So when you have this kind of setup wherein you are thinking that this is A and this is B, you would eventually start to think that yeah, jab bhi wave B end hoga, you'd start a rise on wave C. So that was my expectation in wave C, and I did eventually get a rally in wave C, but I think that this rally is not really a wave C rally, and it is just an ongoing flattish kind of structure that is playing out in wave B. So my ideal view would be to label this as an ongoing flattish or a complex correction in wave B, and thereby going with this view that we are still going to go higher in wave C. So let's assume that we have done this correction in wave B, and then we are really heading higher towards wave C. Then what are the eventual targets I'm looking at? So for that, I'd like to really label this as label the entire up move and then add it up to the bottom of wave B. That gives me a projection that is somewhere around 25,700. So I'm really looking at those levels in a couple of days or a couple of weeks in wave C, and yeah, that is my view. And if I go to the daily chart to set up my view, then I would like to see a Nifty at least go above this this trend line. Then that would mean that it is really going really breaking above this sideways zone, and it is ready for a move on the higher side. So we have a 20 moving average support that is around 2565. This is the daily level that I'm looking at, and this is precisely the day's low as well. So the day's low is at 2560 is the day's low, and our support is at 2565. As long as we don't go below 25065, we have this possibility to go higher from here. A key pivot level that I'm looking at is the day's high, which is around 25,300. So you close about 25,300, and then you'd eventually have this view key above 25,300. You are also going to break above this resistance trend line, and then you are eventually head towards 25,700, 800, and towards our all-time highs of 26,300 as well. So this is my view on Nifty 50. Let's go to the banking chart. So the banking chart, there's some minor differences between those both of those. If I were to label this as a truncated move which ended over here, and then believe that you are going to start a move on the higher side from here, then I would have to mark this as a start of an impulsive rally. And if that is the case, then what I'd like to believe is we are doing a series of wave A, wave B, and just like we are doing in Nifty, but on Nifty we are doing a higher correction, and on Bank Nifty we are doing AB, and my view would be once you go above the 20 moving average, which is around 56,500, you're eventually heading higher towards 57,000, 58,000, new all-time high levels. I think that was it for the video. Thank you.